Welcome to our channel. Today we how to reset your password with Facebook step by step clearly. To reset your password on Facebook, start by opening the Facebook app or website. On the login page, look for the Forgotten Password link. Click on the link to begin the password recovery process. You will be prompted to enter the email address or phone number linked to your account. After entering your information, click Search. Facebook will then display your account options. Select the account you need to reset the password for. Click on Continue to proceed to the next step. You will receive a code or link via the email or phone number you provided. Check your email or SMS for this code. Once you have the code, return to the Facebook page. Enter the code in the designated field. Then click Continue. Now you will be prompted to create a new password. Make sure your new password is strong and unique. Re-enter your new password to confirm it. Click on Continue to finalize the password reset. You should now be able to log in with your new password. If you experience any issues, repeat the steps or consult Facebook's help section. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.